We reached the end of 2025. Last month's market shift was noticeable but completely in line with what we expect this time of year. As winter sets in, sales naturally slow, days on market rise, and we often see prices soften a bit as motivated sellers work to wrap things up before year end. It's also the season when many buyers pause their search to focus on other priorities. That said, right now is the perfect time to plan ahead and position yourself for a strong move in the 2026 market. In Edmonton, we continue to see that winter cool down take shape with fewer sales and slower activity. But from a longer term perspective, prices remain elevated compared to this last year, and inventory is building. That suggests more choice for buyers, while sellers may need realistic expectations depending on timing and pricing. Here are the key highlights. In November 2025, the Greater Edmonton area saw 1,654 sales, which is a 19.7% drop compared to October. At the same time, 2,281 new properties came to market. That's down month over month, but still 11% higher than November of 2024. Overall inventory dipped 10.6% from last month, but when you compare it to last year, inventory is 33.3% higher. Across all residential property types, the average sold price was $447,000 in November, which is a 1.7% decrease compared to October, but still up 2.7% versus last year. The benchmark value for the region is around $415,000, a small dip from October, but about 3.3% higher than a year ago. Spruce Grove and Stony Plain continue to show steady activity with a healthy mix of price points. Detached homes remain the most in demand, while condos offer strong affordability heading into 2026. Buyers are active, and well-priced properties are still selling within expected timeframes. So let's break down what's happening in Spruce Grove, Stony Plain, and Parkland County, with a focus on the data that matters most to homeowners: active listings and November sales. For single-family homes in Spruce Grove, there were 190 active listings as of December 1st, with a median list price of $509,949. That's not too different from the 193 listings at the start of the previous month. There were 48 sales in November with a median sale price of $470,750. Those numbers were down from 63 sales in October. Active listings for condos in Spruce Grove also showed lower inventory from the previous month, with 9 compared to 15 at the start of November. However, the sales remained around the same at 7, with a median sale price of $192,000. For single-family homes in Stony Plain as of December 1st, there were 55 active listings with a median list price of $511,579. And in the month of November, 19 properties sold with a median sale price of $466,000, down from 27 sales in October. When we take a look at condos in Stony Plain, there were 10 active listings as of December 1st, with a median list price of $185,950. The month of November saw 7 sales with a median sale price of $207,000. That's down from 12 sales in October of this year. Heading over to Parkland County, acreage properties typically see seasonal slowdowns, but values remain strong. Buyers who are shopping now tend to be serious, long-term purchasers. In the country residential sector, there were 74 active listings at the beginning of December with a median sale price of $932,500, only slightly lower than 83 listings from the previous month. The 19 sales in November with a median sale price of $700,000 was a slight decrease from the 28 sales we saw in October. Vacant land remains a niche segment, but motivated buyers, especially those planning for spring builds, are already starting their research. In Parkland County, December kicked off with 92 vacant land listings with a median list price of $329,900 and 8 sales in November with a median sale price of $345,000, pretty steady compared to the 11 sales the previous month. Overall, whether you're buying or selling, your strategy should depend on what you value: speed of sale, maximizing your return, or finding your ideal home. As always, every neighborhood, every home, and every situation is unique. If you'd like a personalized breakdown of what these numbers mean for your property or your goals heading into 2026, I'd be happy to help. Before I sign off, I want to take a moment to wish you and your loved ones a very Merry Christmas and a safe, happy holiday season. Thank you for your trust, your support, and for being part of this incredible community. It's a true privilege to help you with your real estate journey. May your holidays be filled with peace, joy, warmth, and connection. Take care, stay safe, and I look forward to helping you navigate the 2026 market. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in the next update.